Vanakkam, I am Hema Malini from Member of Parliament from Lok Sabha. Our National President has constituted NDA delegation of 8 members, and all our members are here, all from Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. They have come to visit Karur and look into the matter, see what happened and how these circumstances led to this kind of an incident. And our national president Naddaji and all of us have come here to express our heartfelt condolences to the family who lost their very dear ones, and also visit the hospitals to console the patients who are there. And then we will get back to know what actually happened. We'll get the report later on. Thank you so much.
Ma'am, Finance Minister already visited Karur yesterday. Did she give any input to the team?
When is it?
Finance Minister already visited Karur yesterday. Did she give any input to the team?
We haven't met the finance minister.
Yeah.
It's a 8-member MP's delegation from NDA members like Dr. Shrikant Shinde ji, Mahesh ji and others are already here. We are here to visit and meet the local people, administration members, officials, and we want to know what happened that day and to give a report to our national president. And also to meet the families who have lost their dear ones.
First Pompe, actually நடந்த பேச பார்க்குறாங்க. Then hospital போய் இருந்துக்கிறவங்க பார்த்துக்கிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் எல்லா வீட்டுக்கும் போகிறோம். 41 யாரெல்லாம் 41 பேர் இறந்தாங்களோ அவங்க வீட்டு எல்லா வீட்டுக்கும் போகிறாங்க. எல்லாரையும் பார்த்துட்டு அங்கே கரூரில் உள்ள சர்க்கியூட் ஹவுஸில் அவங்கள ப்ரெஸ்ஸில் மீட் பண்ணுவாங்க. இப்போ போய் பார்த்துட்டு வந்து அங்கே அவங்கள எல்லாம் மீட் பண்ணுவாங்க. இல்ல அப்புறம் முடிச்சிட்டு அப்புறமா பேசுவோம்.
திரும்பி வந்துட்டு நாங்க பதில் சொல்லுவோம். ஒருவருக்கு போய் பார்த்துட்டு எல்லாத்தையும் என்ன ஆச்சுன்னு எங்களுக்கு தெரியணும். அதுக்காக நம்ம எல்லாம் புது மெம்பர்ஸ் எல்லாம் வந்திருக்கோம். இங்க அந்த இன்சிடென்ட் ஆனது வெரி
ஈவினிங் வரைக்கும் அங்க இருப்போம்.
We are here. I'll repeat it again what Hemaji has said. Our heartfelt condolences to all the families who have lost their family members. And we pray for the speedy recovery of who are injured and are hospitalized. We are here to meet the officials to get the information what led to that kind of situation. Whatever time takes to meet all the family members and the officials, we are going to spend here. This is a delegation of MPs who come with a purpose to get the facts from the grassroots level, from the officials to the local people. That is why our senior party leaders, the current BJP state president and the former president is here. The other senior members are also here. And members of the NDA. So there is no hurry for us. We are here to meet everyone. We want to meet them when they lost their dear ones. We don't want such incident to happen in future. Lessons to be learned from this. Who is at fault? What went wrong? So we are here for a serious purpose. And most of them, they arrived Delhi from their native places at 1 o'clock at night, 2 o'clock at night, and again reached airport at 5:30 in the morning. So you can well understand that the decision was made yesterday afternoon only, and everyone has reached from Odisha, from Hyderabad, from Maharashtra, from Karnataka, from Mathura, Himachal Pradesh. So we all stand together with those people who have lost their family members.
Opposite political